Hello everyone, good evening. How are you today? Today is Tuesday. Are you going to work, go to school, or staying on your home today? For me, I'm working. I'm going to work today. Yeah, I have 11 clients today. Today was good. I like this day so much. The weather in your country was sunny and so hot. I don't like this weather anymore. And you, how the weather in your country today? Tell me in the comment. And next day, I will going to running on Monday morning. Running on morning. Do something exercise and go to shopping on mall. That's it. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.